Kyoto was the capital of Japan for over 1,000 years. While Kyoto is mostly famous for its more than 3,000 temples, a chance to meet a geisha, or wandering through a bamboo forest, we might forget that although Kyoto is a center of traditional Japan, it is also a modern city with concrete high-rises, numerous vending machines, and a vibrant food scene. A perfect blend of technology and history. I immediately headed to the Nishiki market, which is often called the kitchen of Kyoto. But stepping into this narrow shopping street without a plan was definitely overwhelming. Unfortunately, I have been scammed by pretty underwhelming and absolutely overpriced food, in comparison to Tokyo or Osaka. Japan's obsession with quality is deep-rooted in its culture and history, so I was absolutely positive about my shopping in art supplies and fashion next to the local food ingredients. Fushimi Inari is a Kyoto must-see. Thousands of bright orange torii gates snake up through the forest into the mountains. That is what you imagine to yourself when saying Kyoto. Fushimi Inari is known for being the oldest of all the shrines in Japan. It takes us about an hour and a half to complete the whole walk, about a 5-kilometer loop. The endless path of torii gates is stunning. You pass many small shrines with stone fox statues and miniature tories. The fox is considered the messenger of Inari, the Shinto god of rice. Every famous torii gate has a name of a donor, which are usually from Japanese businessmen, inscribed in black ink for industrial prosperity and business expansion. Fushimi Inari, though, is where timing really matters. It's open 24 hours. But it is better to go around sunrise or as late at night as possible to avoid the crowds. Visiting after dark meant far fewer people and a quiet, almost mystical feel as a lantern lit the gates. Japan's train culture is known across the world. Next to the ordinary train lines, metro and Shinkansen, there are also nostalgic trains, like SL Paleo Express, joyful trains, like Hi-Rail 1375, luxury trains, like the Twilight Express Mizukase. Japan's high-speed bullet trains are called Shinkansen. They are running at speeds up to 500 km per hour. The trains are known for their punctuality, but also for their safety. No fatal accidents in its history. The Shinkansen is known for their comfort, Relatively silent cars with spacious, always forward-facing seats. The Shinkansen can also be a cost-effective means of travel. Most Shinkansen trains offer both non-reserved seats and reserved seats in separate cars. The choice is yours to make. There is also a Hello Kitty Shinkansen, which runs between Osaka and Fukuoka. It has a pink and white exterior. There is a photo booth and a themed car covered from top to bottom with Hello Kitty.